You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English. Correct pronunciation. Stay tuned, I've got more videos for you can learn from and listen to. British English pronunciation used in the UK. Powered. 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 The R is not really pronounced in British English. However, in American English, powered. 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 Therefore, the sort of standard English pronunciation, powered. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.